The Northwest Campus uses Access databases to keep track of students who have contacted the SAR office and are starting their process with us, and also students who have registered with our office and have requested accommodations for the semester. To get to the databases, you will go to the SAR shared drive. You will click on databases, and here you will see the fall 21 database and then the student checklist database. We make a new Access database for each semester. The student checklist database, like I said, is used to be able to track the progress of students who have contacted the SAR office for accommodations. So to add a new student, you'll, on the left-hand side, click Forms and click Student Checklist. And it will populate a new form that can be used. So you will enter the student ID number, the last name, the first name, the date of the first contact, and then you can start adding check marks as students complete each step or as SAR completes each step. So student request form received, student request form uploaded, documentation received, student info in Clockwork, disability and coordinator info in Clockwork. And then here you can put when there is an appointment scheduled for the student, and then any notes that might be helpful for other SAR staff to see. If you want to, you can toggle back and forth between files if there are multiple files to see other students. You can also, under tables, click student checklist, and it will open up a file that will show all of the students on one page. Okay, so that is the student checklist database. The semester database, which has students who have registered and already been approved for accommodations, looks like this. Again, we have a form under Forms Student Entries. You double click that. And here, again, you will enter the student's ID number, their last name, first name, email, and then whether they have alternative testing, access to equipment, what equipment is allowed, the student's phone number, and then in the table on the bottom, you enter the course information. So you have the course name, the description, what days they meet, what times they meet, the room they meet in, the course start and end date, the instructor's email, whether the letters of accommodations have already been sent to the student, if the student is approved for note-taking for that class, what is the note-taking contact, if the student is approved for books in alternative format for that class, if the student is approved for an interpreter for that class, if a student is approved for CART for that class, any notes for CART and interpreting, if the student is allowed furniture, any notes for furniture, if the student requires emergency evacuation assistance, and then during the semester, if a student drops a class, you can come back in and check off dropped. You can toggle between records, so you can see other student records. Again, under student entries, under tables, you can click on student entries and it shows all of the students in one page. Here we also have several queries, and so the queries pull information with specific data that has been set up. And so we can click alternate format text and it will pull up each class for each student that is approved for alternate format text. We can do the same thing for AT, it's assistive technology. It'll pull up each student and what equipment that they're allowed. And so you just go through. CART, you can do the same. Furniture, interpreting, note-taking, and testing. And that is all that is involved with the Access databases. Again, I think only the Northwest campus does this, but it's been very helpful for us.